Standing tall against the pandemic, the Airports Authority of India has been tirelessly striving to transport people and cargo across the country and continents. AAI airports have played a significant role in seamless execution of every single repatriation flight, domestic flight, essential cargo, medical equipment flight and charter flight during this difficult time, while airports have been instrumental in bringing back lakhs of Indians stranded abroad under government's Vande Bharat mission. It has also ensured that all safety measures like proper sanitization of touch points and disinfection of luggage have been taken care for every flight moment.
The staff at all our airports are working round the clock to ensure that all prescribed safety norms are followed during this period at our airports. The latest technology is being adopted to ensure that the travel of all passengers is conducted smoothly and in an efficient manner at all airports. This has helped increase the confidence of the traveling public, and we are seeing an increase in the number of passengers who are taking flights every day. Now we are gradually inching to the halfway pre-COVID number of passengers that used to travel every day on our flight. And this increase in the confidence of passengers improves our confidence and helps us rededicate ourselves to better improve the facilities and to conduct the operations more efficiently to ensure safe travel for all those who transit through our airports.
AAI airports are undergoing significant transformation to make the journey increasingly touchless with self-service technologies at every step. In order to limit the risk at airports, practice of all the new norms of the new normal like hand hygiene, wearing face masks and social distancing is ensured at all the times inside the airport premises.
Procedure they followed by the airport authorities are remarkable and amazing. They are taking care each and every person, whether they are following or not, they are checking easily.
India is gearing up to become the third largest aviation market in the world. While the pandemic has affected the flying experience of people across the world, the AAI airports have been working for revival of growth in Indian civil aviation sector, instilling the confidence in passengers that air travel is absolutely safe and secure.